Good afternoon. It is March 26, 2025, and it's a Wednesday, and we are in the 4 p.m. settlement hour. What a day today, huh? My drawings have not changed, so we have been looking at these levels to try and buy under these levels. I was looking primarily to see if we would buy under this level and just keep going up, but that was not what they were programmed to do. They just came to the weekly opening, back to the weekly opening gap. Just came back to it. It was at least 3 points away from actually hitting it. So what happened? Overnight, they essentially took this high within the day, essentially this close right here, 1045, and they went lower, hitting this here, and then bouncing off of this candle here to retrace. And at 9:30, I was at the computer. I was at the keyboard. Let me see if I could pull up my micro trades. Is this today? No, yeah, this is today. Got in for a buy here and sold like here-ish to kind of flip here, but I got stopped out for a little bit of a loss. But I took this high as a sell. What they ended up going to was start work. It's not marked down in micro, but they essentially went for start work up here. And I saw them flash. I wish I recorded it because they flashed it, came back lower, then worked its way back higher within that 1 minute, and then converted at 9:45. Here's 9:45, and it went right for it. I got stopped out at some sort of stop that I had here, and I was AFK for all of this, and then came back to try and see what else I could get. Didn't really get much. Let me pull up my executions. Got this and this. I got stopped out, either stopped out or closed here, and then I tried to get in again here. Wasn't for me, and then that's essentially just me trying to get into a sell and getting stopped out at break even multiple times. So I couldn't really get into it. Wish I didn't have something to do, because then probably would have just left myself up here and let it run. But in general, I should have just kept this position open and let it run for the rest of the day. So I read that pretty damn well, and I'm happy with my executions, even though I did not walk out with the profit that I would have liked. I do like my executions though, so that was good. We got pretty much all of that range there. We have added daily volume here, so we didn't get this high that I was looking at, but we do have added daily volume. What I would like to see is how they set up for what could be a Thursday buy. Obviously, if you're just putting SPY limit orders here, you could see some profit by Friday, but stop losses need to be right under this, so that way you can stop the bleeding in the event that things want to go south. Will things go south? Maybe. And this is going back to yesterday's analysis. This high is premium for me. So I want to see them hit this premium level and go lower, because from yesterday I considered this premium, but at the same time we've already got the premium that it's coded to be. So they've got that. Now it's just a matter of, will we flush lower tomorrow for Thursday? So if we flush lower tomorrow, If we flush lower tomorrow, it's these two levels here that you need to stop yourself out of if you're in a SPY hold right now. And if you're a trader, just trade what you see. Yeah, Trump, I guess, started talking some shit about tariffs. So that is still not an up-to-date story. We still got another week until April 2nd, which is supposed to be the D-Day of tariffs, where we find out what the hell is actually going on with tariffs. Good way to start the quarter. And we have added daily volume essentially for today. The index is added. The Forex index is added. Obviously, micros are added. And SPY is added. So this is looking pretty bearish, at least intraday. The only way that I'm wrong on that analysis that we're bearish right now is if they flush tomorrow. So tomorrow has to be the day where they either flush up or flush down. So it's really just a matter of what will happen there. Let me take a peek at Bitcoin real quick. 87,000. We're still chopping around here. We could be seeing a short running this low soon, depending on what they do here. Well, they've already wicked this here, and now it's just a matter of what they do here. So we still have these two levels on Bitcoin that we want to look at. It's a 83,825 level and a 82,726 level on Bitcoin. What we want to see engaged. All right, very good day. Let's look at the VIX real quick. We do have some increased volatility. This is the low of the range that is popping out of, so we'll see if we get more volatility for the next few days. I don't know if there was something in stocks that I wanted to look at. I know Nvidia shorted today. We're still in a good zone for me. And yeah, everything is just looking down for a little bit. So I am having a intraday shift, at least for now. Let's see if it's any good or any real. Let's see what this turns into, because if we are in a bear market, I would like to see it. I would like to see it. It would be a perfect time for me or anyone else who is a blind buyer, who just buys whenever you see it low. My rule is Thursday and Friday, that I hope that I create buy and hold positions. Let's see what it turns into. You have a blessed day.